Hello, this is markgamesMac, and today I'm going to show you a bit of I'm just going to show you a bit of HTML. This is not going to be a series or anything. I'm just going to show you a bit of basic HTML and whatnot. I might do a series on it later, but just not right now. Okay, so you're going to have to start with the doc type. Just don't worry about what this means. You might be able to learn some other day. That just declares that you're using HTML and you're not like using anything else. It's just going to make sure nothing gets messed up, because some things will get messed up if you do not use this. So now to start the HTML tag, now go to your head tag. Nah, we won't do that today. You're going to go to the body tag, and just trust me, I may not be an adult, I don't have a degree with it, but trust me, I know HTML, I can create a website with it, I am capable. Not like anything as advanced as Google, but I can still create a pretty good website. So anyways, to start off your website, you're going to want to do H1 for header 1, that's the biggest header, and you're going to make it say, my website. And then whenever you start a tag, you put it in these little pointy brackets, and then when you end it, you do the exact same thing, except you put a / in front of it. Okay? So BR. Now you do not need to put end tags for this. That just means you're going to skip a line. So we're going down. Now P for paragraph. Now we're going to say, welcome to my website. And just say anything you want in here. And remember how you end the tag. Okay, so BR to make a little space. Now we're going to make a link. So how you're going to do this is href equals, and then you're going to do whatever you want it to go. http. Now you got to put the full thing. Now where do you want it to go? Let's say it's going to go to apple.com. And then put a / after it, then close it, do that, and then now you're going to type whatever's going to go inside. Click me. And finish it off. There. Now we can also make a button. So we're just going to make just a little button. So we're going to do this by going over, and we're going to say button type equals button. And now we're going to put whatever's going to be inside the button. So click me. Okay, now if you want to make the button a link to go to a web page, because you can't do that in this current state, you're going to do on the outsides href equals http apple.com. Okay? So, and then on the outside, you're going to put the ending for the A tag. So basically, you got your full web page right there. So now you're going to save it. You're not going to save it as a TXT. You're going to save it web page.html. Now, right here, though, you can call it anything you want. But if it's a home page for a website, usually it's called the index.html. Now save it to the desktop and save. Okay, so now we are going to click on it. And it says, my website. Welcome to my website and have a great time. Click on the link. Click me, and it goes to Apple. And now if you click this, it'll also go to Apple. Okay, now maybe I should have put a bit more of a space in between that. So we're going to click open with and then text edit. You may see the real web page when you open it. That's going to be a problem, so you need to fix that. So I'm trying to remember where it is. Okay, I think it's under open and save. Okay, so you're going to go into text edit, preferences, open and save tab, and then when opening a file, you're going to check display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. Because if you don't, this is whoopsies. Open with, text edit, that's what'll happen, and you don't want that. So, check it. Now open with, text edit. Okay, so that's everything. Just click Command S to save it. Now let's open it back up. Now good, there's a bit more of a space in between it. Now the last and final thing I'm going to show you how to do is, it's a bit of CSS. It's a different language, it's made for styling. I'm going to show you how to change the background color, and then that's going to be it for this video. So you're going to go open it with text edit. Now, under HTML, we're going to do a head tag. You've probably seen these before. Now we're going to do style. You're going to start a style tag now. You're going to, now in lowercase, type it exactly as I do. Body, background, color, and then you have to type a colon, and then number, and then we can find something off the internet. But you can also just put something like blue or red. Okay? And then to end that statement, you have to put a semicolon. Okay? And put a bracket to end the body thing. Now, end the style tag and the head tag. Okay? So, save. And then we'll exit. And then we'll see how it looks. And it is red. Okay? Now, if you do know a bit more advanced HTML, like I do, you can change what color the links are when you hover on them. You can use JavaScript. You can click a button and random text appears. Okay? You can do a lot of more advanced stuff. And that's why I suggest you might want to learn HTML. It's really cool. I've always loved it. Okay? I hope you find a place where you can learn how to do HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, and maybe some other server scripting or whatnot. But for now, that's what I'm going to teach you, and maybe I'll do a series on this sometimes. Goodbye.